Hey friends, if you wish to set a default keyboard layout in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. Select typing in the right pane. Okay. Now click on advanced keyboard settings. So there's something which says override the default keyboard layout. You can change it to a keyboard layout that is available. So I have changed it to English United States. Now this will be superimposed across the computer no matter what the default keyboard layout is for specific applications. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.